Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by securing a backup. Copy your current theme and config to external storage so you can roll back if needed. Next, get the R36s theme package that matches your device build number. Do not use a mismatched zip. Connect the device, enable developer mode and USB debugging, and verify ADB lists your device. Once done, make sure to note file paths and permissions so the installation commands you run next will target the correct locations without errors. You transfer the R36s. Zip to /SD card /download or use ADB sideload if you prefer a direct route. Verify checksum when available. Reboot into recovery, choose install, then navigate to the theme. Zip and begin flash, follow prompts carefully. Watch the recovery log. If you see signature or library errors, note the exact message. Once done, clear cache /dalvik as required, because leftover caches can keep the old UI assets in memory and prevent visibility. You reboot to system and immediately check core UI areas, launcher, status bar, notifications, and system settings to confirm the R36 is theme applied correctly. If anything looks off, make a targeted fix. Clear the affected app cache, force stop the launcher, then reboot once more. If problems persist, restore your backup or reflash the original theme while keeping installation logs for diagnostics. One key troubleshooting step. When resources fail to load, reinstall dependent libraries or modules before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.